We'll be learning how to offset a sketch. We're gonna get right to it. Set up our workspace. We're gonna create a sketch. Select our plane. We're gonna create a line. The first line will be 35 millimeters. 35. And then we're gonna go vertically up 20 millimeters. To the right 25 millimeters. Up 20 millimeters. And to the right 30 millimeters. The remainder of this sketch is just a mirrored image. So we'll create a mirror image. We have our line tool selected. Select our construction line. We learn how to do this in tutorial 3. We go down here. Tutorial 2. Sorry about that. Go right there. Confirm. Create. And create a mirror. We're going to select where we're going to mirror. Is that everything? Except for this one, right? Select. Boom. Okay. Voila. Now we have a mirrored sketch. Make sure you take off the construction line. Okay. And then we're going to offset the image, the sketch. Modify. Offset. Select the curves you want to offset. We're going to offset both of these. 5 millimeters. 5 millimeters. There we go. And then now that we have our offsetted sketch, we're going to close our sketch. Voila, ba-bing, you know what it means. We're all done, folks. You know what's next after that. Just got to save it. Okay? So that was it. How to offset a sketch. We also did a construction line and we mirrored the sketch. Alright? Little by little, we're going to add to this foundation, which you'll be able to do whatever you want. Whatever your imagination entails. See ya.